Ask me about my big black Chevy.
We took this abandoned 1979 Pontiac Firebird and threw the largest engine we could fit in it.
Quick tactics with Timothy Frog here. We're gonna stick these up in here like this. Get them nice and firm. Have a little press. Hope you don't catch it on fire. So you're just gonna. I think I'm good. Should be alright. We made a hole.
We made a hole.
We made a hole.
Crikey, look at that. That there's a hole. They're gonna make another hole. You take your dick. She ain't going nowhere.
Oh man.
Ain't going nowhere.
I got you for 3 minutes. 3 minutes of heat time.
She better stay in there for more than 3 minutes though. Should be fine while she's broken. Hitting it with a mallet, she got in place, but
Yeah, it's gonna hang out.
It's poly, it's
I think
fine.
this subframe definitely needs to come in a little bit. But she's got a perfect little location right here. Just kind of.
I mean, where's it lined up on the actual bolt hole? Oh, it is way off, isn't it?
Yeah.
This one's like that on.
I know. I found the bolt size. I'm just gonna go buy some bolts, throw one in there, ratchet strap this bad dude over,
Yeah.
throw a bolt in there and call it a day.
Yeah, you definitely do that before you keep drilling holes.
Well, I was drilling that side because that side was lined up. That's the only side I was drilling.
Is it under its own weight now?
I haven't lowered it down yet. But she shouldn't go anywhere because,
There you go.
yeah. But yeah, that's where I'm hitting right there.
Oh, that's not bad.
I'm just gonna zip these dudes out, set that down, take this leaf spring out, slide the new one in.
You need to get, if you're gonna get a new setup, you need to do it now.
Yeah, that and also those have to go in with them as well.
So just hang down on that?
No, it'd be up, wouldn't it?
No, down.
Yeah.
It'd be down.
Yeah, you need to pull down on that. Well, the way it was bending out was definitely straight to the eyeball.
Pretty much fixed.
Dang, brake line.
Oh, there you go.
Let me see that front bar again.
Yep.
I think that might be the move.
What I'm doing now?
Yeah.
I mean, it definitely moved.
Oh, we're on the outside of it now. Like we're like right next to where the hole is. We just need to pop this whole thing outward.
So that needs to go that way?
Yep.
Let me try this maybe. Progress? It moved.
It moved for sure.
Needs
We
what?
might just need to unbolt it, lift it up, and redo the bottom end.
I'm gonna get an award for this fucking over-the-shoulder shot.
I'm gonna go with she's in.
He's in? Yeah.
Yay!
Made it, huh?
Yep.
So, you wanna explain to me what that was?
That was a whole lot of finagling, and that is the life of owning a classic car. You gotta make it work. You gotta make it work.
Everything is custom.
Everything is custom with a K.
Cool, they're sitting in a bind, so it's almost like perfectly set, actually.
Okay.
You have to adjust it when it's at right height.
Slammed.
Slam life.
Yay, one side done.
Alright, time to go home.
I like literally think all it needs is like wheels and tires, and it'll look sick as like. Like it basically sounds, you know, it basically sounds like a ruffian car now. You know, where they sound like freaking track cars.
You just see him fly, you're like, oh shit. Damn. Why is it kind of smooth though?
She's a little spicy. Pull over here and shake. I'm gonna pull it over here and I'm gonna shake it.
One eternity later.
I don't know what just happened. Oh, it died? Huh? It died? No, it sounded like drive shaft just smacked the floor.
Just walked and just
Walk and drop, yeah.
Quit judging me. My drive shaft broke, okay? Gotta do what you gotta do. Oh, Sam's calling me. Rescue Sam is here. Oh yeah, is this a towing service? Let it be known. Don't try to do a SEMA crunch. We're not even going to SEMA.
Yeah, that's right. We're not even going to see them.
We're doing a 4th of July crunch. All of this for a photo.
So you're telling me this green broke down on its maiden voyage?
As it should.
This was a SEMA build. We were supposed to be perfect.
We're gonna lose the shot.
We're gonna lose the job. All right, everybody, we are back in the shop with Smoky here. So it's been about, I say like a week or so since 4th of July. Actually, it's exactly a week since 4th of July. But we got Smoky back in the shop here. We got some goodies. So went through on an ordering spree, got some things that Smoky is desperately going to need before the weekend. Because this weekend, Smoky is going to be doing its first burnout competition right here in Austin. We are going to Travis County Expo Center for Texas Heat Wave, where they're going to have drifting, lowriders, a dog show, a tattoo expo, and Burnout Wars. Burnout Wars is coming to Austin, and this thing is going to make its debut there. So we are going to do a few things to get this thing kind of dialed in so it's really truly ready to go for that event. Alrighty guys, so we got a couple of parts on the table here. So we're still waiting for quite a few of the parts, but what we have is front and rear sway bars for the car, because this thing at the track was trying to drag door handles, so definitely going to need these. So we got these. We got new rear brake calipers, because me and Sam spent about, I'd probably say an hour trying to bleed those, and it just wouldn't bleed. So they're also very Chinesium. These ones are good. So I'm going to put these ones on, and then also we have a Moroso oil filter adapter to be able to hook up to a oil cooler, because this thing for 2 minutes on the chip and the burnout pad is definitely going to be hot. So trying to do as much cooling stuff as we can. So tomorrow, a new power steering pump is coming. We're going to do power steering cooler and oil cooler. It's going to be much better here very shortly. But let's get to installing these parts. Alrighty guys, so we got the front sway bar all mounted in here. So got it all tucked up in here. And this is the 1 5/8, or no, not 5/8. This is the 1 5/16 front sway bar from Summit. So didn't want to go too expensive on it, just because I don't know how long I'm gonna be running this front suspension setup, and if I'm gonna change something, it's probably gonna be here in the next few months. So I didn't want to spend a ton of money on a front sway bar, and this one's only a couple $100 and it's still beefy. So we got it all put in here. Now time to go back and tighten everything down. So let's go ahead and get to it.
I think that you should have it. Are you gonna buy it? Oh, you should try it.
not an easy car to drive, right?
Yes! Yes! Yes!
Oh my god! Oh my god!
That was sick,
Dude!
That was a rip.
Fair warning, I'm gonna hold on to you because I might pass out.
My headphones were so pissed off. This thing's so loud, bro.
I blew out my rear bumper.
Yeah.
Oh, it melted.
Look at the bumper. Get a bumper shot.
Oh my god!
Low melted.
Oh, you got the lights too!
Dude! Fucking pop. Dude!
How was that?
I'm tired, boss. I'm real tired. But we drove it off the pad and we blew tires off, so it was fantastic. And I'm running out of things to say because oxygen to the brain is a little low right now.
Low oxygen in the brain.